Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sprinkler splash pad is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing ways to keep your furry friends cool and entertained during those hot summer days, transforming your backyard into a canine water park that promises endless fun and a welcome respite from the heat, ensuring your dog stays active and happy while beating the sweltering temperatures. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this fun sprinkler pool. With a spacious surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep everyone cool and safe with its shallow weighting design and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free for worry-free fun. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. Its heavy-duty design is crafted for splashing paws, ensuring tails will be wagging with excitement. To ensure maximum lifespan and endless summer fun, we recommend trimming your pup's nails before use and placing it on a smooth surface free of sharp objects. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied or need help, contact our friendly team for a quick solution. What we like? This one is extra large and has a non-slip surface, making it super safe for both kids and dogs. If you have a family with both little ones and pets, and you're looking for a spacious and secure play area, this is the perfect choice for endless summer fun. What people say. This sprinkler splash pad is a great way to keep your dog cool during hot weather. The durable material ensures it can withstand rough play from even the most energetic dogs. Easy to set up and use, just connect it to a garden hose and watch your dog have a blast. Number 4. Jasonwell Splash Pad Sprinkler Play Mat. Introducing the Jasonwell Splash Pad Sprinkler Play Mat, perfect for kids and even your furry friends. It's designed for endless summer fun in the backyard. This large, 68-inch water-filled mat provides ample space for toddlers and young children to play. It's also a great way for your dog to cool off. Dive into fun with our exclusive shark design. Your little ones can play inside the shark's mouth, enjoying the sprinkles and sprays on hot summer days. Capture amazing memories with fantastic photos. Setting up is a breeze. Just connect it to your garden hose and adjust the water pressure to control the spray height. Get ready for immediate enjoyment. Crafted from durable, non-toxic PVC with strong, reinforced joints, this water toy is built to last. It ensures safe play without any harmful chemicals. Looking for a great gift? This sprinkler makes a perfect birthday present or party hit. It's a guaranteed way to bring smiles and laughter. What we like? Featuring a unique shark design, this splash pad offers a fun and engaging visual for kids. If you love taking adorable photos of your children playing and want a splash pad that's easy to set up and durable, this is a fantastic option for creating memorable summer moments. What people say. The sprinkler splash pad is easy to set up and provides a good amount of water spray for dogs. My dog loves playing in the splash pad, and it's durable enough to withstand his rough play. The design is great, with a non-slip surface that keeps my dog safe while he's running around. Number 3. VISTOP 67 Non-Slip Splash Pad. Introducing the VISTOP Splash Pad, designed with a non-slip texture to ensure your little ones can enjoy water play safely. It's perfect for kids aged 4 to 8, providing a secure grip for endless fun. This splash pad is upgraded for maximum durability, featuring a thickened 0.55 mm material. It's robust enough for pets and children, so you don't have to worry about damage. Our splash pad is free from BPA and phthalates, making it a safe and fun water toy for toddlers and babies. It's a great way for them to connect with nature and enjoy summer. The double-edged design prevents cracking and allows you to adjust the water pressure and spray direction. You can easily customize the water experience to your liking. Create unforgettable memories with a backyard water party on this spacious 59-inch splash pad. It offers ample space for kids and pets to play and cool off together. Perfect for any outdoor setting, this splash pad is ideal for backyards, beaches, and lawns. It's the ultimate accessory for summer outdoor activities. What we like? This splash pad is notably thicker and more durable, with a double-edged design to prevent cracking, making it ideal for rough play from both kids and dogs. If you're concerned about durability and want a splash pad that can withstand vigorous play, this is the one to consider for a long-lasting water party. What people say. It's a great size for my small dog and she loves playing in it. The material is durable and has held up well to my dog's chewing. Easy to set up and take down, and it drains quickly for storage. Number 2. Peteast 51-inch Dog and Kids Splash Pad. Keep your furry friends and little ones cool during hot summer days. This splash pad offers a fun way for everyone to beat the heat. Made from thickened PVC material, this pool is built to last. Its durable bottom prevents leaks, ensuring safe and extended playtime for your pets. Watch them have a blast with the built-in sprinkler effect. It's perfect for playful pups who love to splash and explore. Easily control the water height by adjusting your hose's water pressure. It's a great way to conserve water while providing maximum enjoyment. Available in multiple sizes, it comfortably fits dogs of all breeds, from small companions to large, powerful dogs. Connected directly to your garden hose for quick setup. You can even adjust the water spray direction for optimal fun. What we like. With multiple size options and a very thick bottom, this splash pad is built for heavy-duty use, especially for larger dogs. If you have a big dog or multiple pets and are looking for a robust and leak-resistant water play solution, this is an excellent choice to keep them cool and entertained. What people say. The sprinkler splash pad is a great way to keep your dog cool during hot weather. It's easy to set up and use, just connect it to a hose and let your dog play. The durable material ensures it will last for many summers to come. Number 1. MAGIFIRE Sprinkler Pad for Toddlers. Transform your backyard into a splash-tastic oasis with this vibrant water park experience. It's designed for little ones aged 1 to 3, offering engaging outdoor fun. Inspire curiosity with its interactive world map design, encouraging toddlers to explore geography. This splash pad offers a unique opportunity for imaginative play that enriches young minds. Measuring 59 inches, it provides ample room for active play. With raised edges forming a shallow wading pool, it ensures a safe and enjoyable water adventure for ages 1 to 3. Crafted from robust PVC, this sprinkler pad offers lasting durability. Simply connect it to a garden hose for easy setup and gentle water jets. Expand playtime with compatible educational toys. This splash pad fosters active play, making it a perfect gift for outdoor exploration and fun. What we like. This splash pad doubles as an educational tool with its world map design, perfect for toddlers who love to explore. If you're looking for a way to combine outdoor fun with learning for your young children, this interactive and safe splash pad is a great way to spark their curiosity. What people say. The water output is adjustable, allowing you to control the spray intensity for different dog sizes and preferences. The splash pad is made of durable, non-toxic PVC material that can withstand rough play and chewing. It's easy to set up and connect to a standard garden hose, providing instant fun for your pet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.